How to ask eBay to step in and help. Hi everybody. If you're looking out eBay to step in and help with a problem like a return, refund, or item not received, you can request help through the order details. So in today's video, we are showing you how to do so. So let's get started. For that, we can sign in into our eBay account and basically go to the option called My eBay in the top right corner. And there look out for this option called Purchase History or Orders. And then open up that page. Now within this section, we'll be basically finding the order with a problem. We can find the order with a problem. And there, open up the option called Return Request or Case. And we can look out for eBay to step in and help. We can directly look out for that option. And that way, we should be able to do it. And if this option usually appears in our orders when after 3 business days, if the seller has not responded. It may also appear if the issue is not resolved after communication. And one of the common reasons why we ask eBay to step in is if we have not received an item has not been described, seller is not responding, or refund not issued. After that, eBay reviews the case and they check the messages and tracking and evidence and decide whether to refund you or support the seller. And that's it. But usually you should be able to do so within that section. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.